Anything Goes, Advanced Beginner Tap Dance Lesson Tutorial. In this video, you'll learn a short combination to the song Anything Goes, the Sutton Foster version. I think you'll enjoy it. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to watch all the way through because I've got a free offer for you later in the video. Let's jump in, shall we? Starting with the right foot. Step, heel, flap, ball change, ball change. Let's try that again. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. One more time. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. Throughout this video, you might see me do some arms here and there. I just do it for fun. You're not expected to get those or to do those. It's just what happens naturally for me. Now we're going to do that same pattern on the left foot. Step, heel, flap, ball change, ball change. You bet I'm going to try that left side again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. One more time. Left side, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. Super, let's take it top, right side, and left side. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. From here, Irish right foot stamp, Irish right foot stamp, followed by stamp, stamp, spank step, stamp, stamp, clap. I'm going to show that again. That was Irish right foot stamp, Irish right foot stamp, 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 spank step, stamp, stamp, clap. Let's do that one more time with some counts. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's connect that on from top and take it all the way through so far. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. We're going to roll that one more time. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. Step, heel, flap, ball change, step, heel, flap, ball change, Irish right foot stamp, Irish right foot stamp, 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 spank step, stamp, stamp, clap. From here, dig toe, sugar, 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 heel step. I'm sneaking in a heel on that last sugar foot. So again, that was dig toe, sugar, 2, 3, heel step. Then I repeat it. Dig toe, sugar, 2, 3, heel step. Let's put some counts on it. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, 2 double buffaloes and 2 flaps. Double buffalo, flap, flap. Followed by stamp, stamp, shuffle, shuffle, stamp, stamp. Again, the ending is stamp, stamp, shuffle, shuffle, stamp, stamp. Congratulations, you made it all the way through. Let's rewind and go back from those 2 double buffaloes in a row. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. We'll do it again from those double buffaloes. 5, 6, ready to go. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go back to the dig toe, sugar, 2, 3, heel step. We do 2 sets of that, and then we go into the double buffaloes. You got this. Here we go. From the dig toe, sugars. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. How about we roll that one more time? Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Hey! Congratulations. We're going to go top now all the way through. You can do the whole thing. Good luck. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and an 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Hey! How about we try it one more time and then we'll roll it with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Beautiful! Again, this goes with the song Anything Goes, the Sutton Foster version, and we're starting about 36 seconds into the song. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. So many of you have commented, and I really appreciate it. Even one word like thanks or great job or keep trying, whatever it may be, I always appreciate it. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Awesome, thank you so much. And while you're here, if you click on the link in the description below, that's going to take you to a page where you can get my free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that advanced beginner tap dancers make. One of them is kind of serious. You can do damage to your ankles, your knees, and your backs. You want to make sure you're not making these mistakes, and you can get that completely free guide. Just click the link below. And not only do I explain what they are, I explain how to fix them, so you can keep tapping for many years to come. So be sure to check that out. All right, let's give it a shot with some music and see how you do. Oh, one quick thing. The music comes in from a musical note where she's holding a note. Right? So she's saying, in olden days. So we're trying to hit that olden days. Now there's no magical formula. There's no like little click we hear right before that. So you have to go a little bit by feel and estimation. So we'll try to feel that out together and do our best to get that first step heel on the count. All right, so here we go. Let's have fun. 6, 7, 8. Again, get you used to it, get you more comfortable with it. If the first time was rough, don't worry, that's normal. Here we go. Rolling again. 6, 7, 8. Super, let's do it a couple more times. Hopefully it's starting to get a little bit more comfortable and feel a little bit more natural. 6, 7, 8. My friends, let's hit it one more time. Here we go. Make it your best one yet. 6, 7, 8. Hopefully that went well. I'm going to do it once facing you. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. Olden days, a glimpse of stocking was looked on as something shocking, but now Excellent. Thank you so much for tapping with me. If you did have a good time, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and drop a comment down below if you didn't. Also, click on that link below in the description to get that free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes advanced beginner tap dancers make, especially the third one, where you can do damage to your knees, ankle, and back. You don't want to be doing that. Also, at UnitedTaps.com, we have a ton of great content. If you enjoyed this little combination, you probably really love our advanced beginner tap dance lesson series. It's 12 lessons long. It runs about 13 hours, so it's a ton of fun tapping time. It's a great way to get yourself into shape, keep your mind sharp, and just have fun, have a good time. And you can find that at UnitedTaps.com. I do hope to see you there. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, helping you be happier and healthier through tap dance.